If you're trying to qualify cold leads fast and filter out the tire kickers, then building a simple survey funnel is hands down one of the best strategies out there, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in under 3 minutes. Stick around because I'll also show you the one trick that instantly boosted my lead quality without needing to overcomplicate things. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using just for viewers of my channel linked below. So let's get into it. First, start by identifying what qualifies a lead for you. Is it budget, location, urgency, or something else? You want to build 4 to 6 quick multiple choice questions that segment cold leads without making them think too hard. For example, what's your current budget range? Or how soon are you looking to get started? Next, use this software to create a simple step-by-step survey. The software we're using has drag and drop logic, so you can personalize the path based on each answer. If someone says they have no budget, you send them to an email capture with a free resource. If someone is ready to buy now, you send them straight to your booking calendar. Make sure your survey starts with a non-threatening question. Something easy like which best describes you. This pulls them in and gets them to commit. Then use conditional logic to filter their journey. You only want hot leads landing on your calendar. Cold ones should go into a nurturing sequence. Add a short welcome video at the top of your survey if possible. Just a 20-second clip saying who you are, what they'll get from the survey, and how long it'll take. Keep it friendly and casual. It builds trust. At the end of the survey, tailor the final page based on their answers. If they're qualified, show them your calendar link. If they're not, let them know you'll be in touch and drop them into your email flow. This saves you hours chasing the wrong people. And here's the trick I mentioned earlier. Don't just use the survey to qualify. Use it to frame your offer. The questions themselves should set up the value of what you're offering. For example, if you ask what's the biggest challenge with X, you can position your solution around that exact pain point later. Quick recap. 1. Decide what qualifies a lead for your business. 2. Build 4 to 6 multiple choice questions in this software. 3. Use conditional logic to send hot leads to your calendar and cold ones to email. 4. Add a short intro video to increase completions. 5. Frame your offer through your questions. The key takeaway? A well-built survey funnel doesn't just qualify, it pre-sales, filters, and saves your time. If you want to try the exact software I used, there's an exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available for viewers of this channel and makes setting all this up incredibly fast. Check it out, build your survey funnel, and start turning cold leads into booked calls automatically.